Weight loss time, babies.
Mortal said that, bro, that guy knows what's on, bro. वो बंदा ना, unlike a lot of other people that I have seen, not just in India but all across in the world, he is one of those, वो सर झुका काम करो. He's smart man. He knows. He knows
why
what's
so
on.
successful.
That is why he is mortal.
Which is why so successful. That's all.
इसलिए वो नमन माथुर है, वो mortal है. क्योंकि वो बाकी सब छोड़ के काम. You think he can't do controversy and drama. You think he can't do half the things जो बाकी सब लोग कर रहे हैं, जो आधे से ज्यादा चीजें लोग व्यूज के लिए कर रहे हैं. You think he can't do that? I'm not pointing fingers at any one person, but everything that other people are doing, mortal भी कर सकता है. वो क्यों नहीं करता है? Because उसको पता है, for him, his personal brand, his own self growth, his own mental health, sanity, plus the brand image that he's trying to build for long term sustainability, not just for him as an individual, but for his career, his company, for everything else. उसको पता है क्या सही है क्या गलत है, तो वो उसके हिसाब से लॉन्ग टर्म सोच के कर रहा है. He's a smart man. He's a smart
look at
man.
somebody's day to day, you understand where they're coming from. वो बंदा 5-6 दिन हफ्ते के
काम करता है, bro.
गेम स्ट्रीम करता है, अपने ऑडियंस को एंगेज करता है. He's focused on his task, on his work.
Yeah, it's
Not focused on anything beyond that.
काम पे ध्यान है बस, bro. बाकी सब छोड़ो. Super chat, damn Melon, thank you so much for the $2 Australian. Damn. Announcement when is it? 5-man or 6-man? Announcement next week. You will know how many announcements के हिसाब से how many people.
It could be more also.
I'm just saying हमारा बहुत सारे announcements हैं.
Could be more also.
Okay, how about this? I can कितने likes हुए हैं? No farm, no likes. जितने लोग हैं यहाँ like कर दो, subscribe कर दो. Not farming, not giving any number. Just any like and subscribe कर दो. I will tell you directly. You don't need to like and subscribe. करोगे तो अच्छा है. मैं directly ये leak कर देता हूँ. In the next, अभी 17th है. In the next 13 days, 2 weeks. In the next 2 weeks, there will be a minimum of 10 announcements.
Oh bhai, god damn.
Double digit. In the next 2 weeks.
तुम लोग 5-6 बोल रहे थे ना.
Players announcements.
नहीं.
Videos means उतने videos आने हैं, उतने announcements या videos या content pieces या जो हमें आपको बताना है. And for all of y'all that are here, अगर like नहीं किया है, subscribe नहीं किया है, now is a great time. It's free. आपको बिल्कुल भी 1 सेकंड से ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. In early days of VCT, you used to tell us you have a board of your loss, or you have a board of your loss on G or something. No, so not board. So in the early days of G, we used to write how many days left. यही बोर्ड पे, ये वही बोर्ड है. यहाँ बड़े बड़े numbers में we used to write how many days of runway we have left in the account. Like कभी हमारे पैसे खत्म हो जाएंगे and G बंद हो जाएगा. When we had started शुरू में, तो कभी कभी it would be like 60 days, 70 days, 80 days, 100 days. कभी कभी it would become like 20 days, 15 days. We have seen it sometimes go to 7 days, 3 days. The lowest it has gone to is -10 days. जब पैसे खत्म हो गए, 10 दिन हो गए, we owe people money, and then a big payment came in and it cleared all of those. Like okay, and we kept going and kept going and kept going, and ऐसे करते now we are in this place.
ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है guys.
बहुत बार. I think how many times did we hit single digit? I think like at least a dozen times. At least a dozen times we have hit single digit number of days of bank balance left in the account.
Unhealthy number of times it's happened.
Yeah, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Now running 8th year.
Are you stable now? Now we are fine. Now we have no stress, bro. Now right, VCT. Thank you, Rito. Now we are fine.